How to create WhatsApp channel. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to create WhatsApp channel. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, we need to head over to our WhatsApp right here, and then from in there you can see this options right here. What you need to click on is this updates right here. So just click on updates, and then from in there you can also see the status and also this channels right here. So if you click on find channels right here, you can see a lot of channels that you can join on. So if you click on the plus icon, you can join that specific channel from in there and you can follow them. Now if you want to create your own channel, what you can do is you can click on this pencil icon right here. But if you click on that and what will open is the status, that means that channel is not yet available for you. As you can see on the help center of WhatsApp, WhatsApp channels has begun rolling out but isn't available to everyone yet. What you can do is you can just wait for WhatsApp channel to be available to you. So where channels is available, they're rolling out some features gradually and not everyone can access it. So you can click on this join the waitlist to be notified when WhatsApp channels is available to you. If you click on that, you can join the waitlist for WhatsApp. So let's open WhatsApp from in there, and then we can join the waitlist through that. So just wait. After it has been available to you, then it will notify you on its availability. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create WhatsApp channel. If you have guns to comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.